So guys, this is a beautiful blouse I made for my mom from her George and lace fabric. Yes, you might be wondering why you're not seeing a corset with false wrapper here. Well, this is what she chose and I had to oblige and do it for her. You can see guys, this is so beautiful and this is the back view of the dress. So let me take you through a little process on how I made this dress and the final outcome. This is the net George and this is the plain fabric. This one I use it for the flower on the shoulder parts on the sleeve, and this is the new net, of course. And this is your wadding. I use wadding and I also used hair stay for it as well. So this is the plain fabric. This is actually crepe fabric, and this is the closest I could get from my markets to the color of the wrapper. This is me placing my already cut out and drafted pattern for the front side on the crepe fabric, and over here I am done cutting out, and you can see how beautiful that's coming out. And also this is for the back piece as well. You can see it. In case you're wondering why the back piece is so plain, well, I decided to do it that way. I closed all the darts on my block, and over here I'm just going to be carving out the sides. I did not do it on the block because I wanted to use the same block for another pattern, which will not be convenient for me if I do it on the block. So this is me just doing it over here. You can see these are the sides matching together, and this is my pieces, the front piece and the back piece all the way together. It's not going to be anything luxury or that. It's just minimalist, so that's why I'm not going to be putting my boning or anything of such in this pattern. So over here there's something I'd like to show you guys. If you want the waist snatched, I'm going to just carve out half of an inch over there by the waist side. That is if you choose to. And also for the back, you can also put a line there and then carve it out, but that would not be necessary because my mom already warned me that she didn't want anything to be too tight or snatched. And this is her rocking her blouse and the wrapper. She's so happy with the outcome. Of course, it's looking so beautiful, even though she did not allow me to do all the rishi that I plan to do for the dress. However, I'm hoping that her next dress will be able to convince her to make something of such. And if I have a video on how I made that fabric rose on her sleeves on the shoulder, there I have a video. You can check my page for that, my channel for that. You'll see the video there. Thanks for watching. Bye.